Hi, it's Ed Kaminsky, and just a little tidbit on title insurance. What is it? Why do I get it? What's insured? Ultimately, title insurance is there in place to make sure when the new owner takes ownership of the property, they get free and clear title. Meaning, any debts that were someone else's responsibility, they're gone. They are not the new owner's responsibility. Any title transfer that's written and goes into the new party's name, it's actually in their name. That doesn't get messed up. That's what the insurance is for. So it's basically to guarantee on the date of close of escrow, anything that happens on that date or before is protected. What happens after escrow closes and anything that happens there, that is not an insured part of time. You're insuring from the day escrow closes backwards. So that can be very confusing, but I will ultimately tell you title insurance is in place to make sure you are not, as a new buyer, responsible for anybody else's past debts and that you truly own the property. Who pays for this? There's two policies when you close escrow. Not always. There are two policies, title insurance policies, when you close escrow if you're getting a loan. You have what's called the seller's policy and the lender's policy. If you are a buyer, the lender will require an additional insurance policy and the buyer is responsible for that cost. And if you are a seller, generally sellers pay for the seller's policy to the title insurance company. If you want to know exactly what the cost of title insurance is, feel free to reach out to us. We can do a quick Zoom call, a phone call, a text, an email, snail mail, whatever it is that you would like to ask. Send it in your modality of your choice. We're happy to ask or answer any questions that you have. Thank you.